Top 5 smartwatches for outdoor adventures in 2025. Top 1, Apple Watch Ultra 2. A go-anywhere tough companion with excellent GPS, rugged water and dive features, plus all the smartwatch convenience. It handles harsh conditions well and gives you a reliable tracking, maps, emergency features, and etc. Top 2, Garmin Epix Pro or Gen 2. Built for serious outdoor topo maps, multiple GNSS support, solar charging in some editions, and battery life that stretches through long trips. It's rugged, precise, and made for navigating over trails, elevations, and wild terrain. Top 3. Amazfit T-Rex 3. A value king for outdoorsy folks. Strong build, great battery life, weeks in low use, many hours even when you are using GPS heavily. Solid GPS accuracy, good visibility under a sunlight, and rugged features without the premium prime tag. Top 4. Garmin Fenix 7 times Solar. For explorer who want everything solar boosted battery life, topo maps, robust navigations, durable design with high water and shock resistance. A top pick when you need a watch that can handle multi-day hikes, harsh environments. And top 5, Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra or Galaxy Watch 8 equivalent Android Ultra builds. For those who want rugged outdoor smart device integrations, the smartwatch Ultra combined durability, strong display, water resistance, and feature-rich software so you can get all the mapping, health sensors, notifications, and etc. without giving up toughness. So that's it.